today we're going to be showing you how to make slime with just 3 ingredients and no glue and no borax and no cornstarch. You just need body wash, hand wash and a bit of salt and obviously a refrigerator. So right now we got all our ingredients, so you'll need some body wash. We're using Dove, Go Fresh, cucumber and green tea scent. You can use any body wash. Yeah. We've also got some Ecoya coconut and elderflower hand wash. We got a bit of table salt, any salt will do really. And we got some optional food coloring. We're going to be using blue today. You've got your bowl and your spoons to mix with. Doesn't have to be spoons, but just something to mix with. Yes. So let's get making.
Okay, so first you want to be pouring your hand soap into your bowl. Okay.
So you'll want about this much. It's hard to see, but it just covers the bottom lightly.
Yes.
So then you'll want to put in your body wash. You will put about the same amount in. You'll want to try and find a thick sort of gel wash if you can, because it's already got that consistency.
Now you want to start mixing those two together for a while.
So as you can see, it'll start to change consistency after a little while.
Okay, so after a little while of stirring, you want to add a little bit of salt. So just a pinch at a time.
So you'll want to put about this much in.
Put that in, sprinkle it in, and mix that together.
So you'll want to be mixing for about 5 minutes. We'll be right back when we finish mixing and we'll show you the outcome. So after a few minutes of stirring, you should end up with a kind of jelly mix or something.
And it will be a bit foamy.
It will be a bit foamy, but you can let it sit. It's a little bit like jelly. And then, yeah, you're not finished yet, so it should be a bit foamy and you'll need to let it rest before it can go down again. So next, this is the optional part. You can put in some food coloring if you want to. Make sure you've got a tray when you're doing this, especially with the food coloring, because it can stain anything pretty much. So you'll just put in a couple of drops.
And then mix it all up.
And then you'll mix it well for another few minutes.
Okay, so keep mixing until it's all mixed up.
As you can see, it's starting to be more slime-ish. The consistency is very slimy. It looks like slime, it's blue. As you can see, it even stains the bowl a little bit as well.
We're just adding a bit of this because if you add too much, just add a bit more of the other ingredients.
So after a few minutes of stirring, we'll end up with something looking like this. After that, you'll want to just put a tiny bit more salt in, just another pinch of salt. Again, just so that when it comes to freeze it, it will make it more like a jelly. So that's what we want. So now's about the right time to put it in the freezer.
Yes.
So you'll want to put it in the freezer for about 5 minutes.
Yes. It depends how much you're doing. If you're only doing a little bit,
Just like
then
us.
yeah,
Then you'll just do it for 5 minutes.
or less.
Yeah. So we'll be right back when
back.
it's finished freezing. So we've been freezing it for 5 minutes now. It's turning into a really thick sort of liquidy slime. As you can see, it's very thick. It's almost like a smoothie or something, but a bit more
Jelly-like.
yeah, a bit more jelly-like. So as you can see,
Like thick liquid.
the freezing had made it a bit stronger. So it's still a liquid, but it's more stuck together, I guess you could say. So yeah, that's the end of our video today. It's how you make slime.
You might want to stir it for a bit more, and we'll just show you the end results.
So thanks guys for watching. We hope you liked the video, and if you have any other recipes of slime, you can post it in the comments below.
And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.
We would really appreciate it. This is our first video. See you guys later.
Thanks for watching.